Addison Appliances and Reclaim Energy are teaming up together to give one of these units away, the REHP CO₂ 315 glass-lined heat pump hot water system with Wi-Fi controller 2.0.
At Addison Appliances, we're Melbourne's appliance installation specialists, from range hoods to cooktops, to heat pump hot water systems and alfresco barbecue installations. If it belongs in your home, we install it. And before you buy, our expert guidance ensures you choose the right appliance for your space. We handle full home electrification, gas to induction and conversions, gas cooking appliances, ovens, range hoods, and everything in between. If something doesn't quite fit, we offer stone and timber benchtop cutting during your installation booking. For the most comprehensive service in Melbourne, talk to Addison Appliances.
This 315 litre system is designed for medium to large households, typically 3 to 6 people, and it's one of the most efficient systems out there on the market today. This unit specifically can save you up to 80% on your hot water energy bills. So if you see those bills are climbing and climbing and climbing, this could be oh my God, this could be the perfect unit for you. The Wi-Fi controller 2.0 and the Reclaim Energy app puts everything in your hands. You get 8 operational modes: boost mode, holiday mode, 24-hour mode. You've got full timer and full temperature controls within customized mode and your user settings. The app itself gives you real-time monitoring. You can monitor ambient temperature, your tank temperature, the power usage in kilowatts or amps, and with this system you can connect it directly with your PV solar or home energy system. The brilliant thing with this Reclaim system is it is designed to be used in a range of Australian climates. If you're out in the desert, out in the dry climate, if you're down on the coast, if you're in the city, if you're up in the Alps there with the snow, this thing is going to be reliable and you can trust it. It also comes with a 10-year tank warranty, a glass-lined tank, a 10-year heat pump warranty, and also a 10-year warranty on the Wi-Fi controller 2.0 system. If you think your old unit's struggling or your power bills are just becoming too shocking, this is a brilliant, reliable unit to choose.
For Victorian residents, if you're considering a heat pump hot water system, there are generous Victorian rebates available, often totalling more than $2,000 off your upfront costs. This includes Solar Victoria, VEECs and federal STCs. Visit our website to see what rebates you could be eligible for. For other states, make sure you're familiar with their rebate options.
As for the giveaway, there is 1 main entry and 4 possible additional entries. The main entry is Instagram. If you haven't been to our Instagram, there'll be a link for Reclaim and a link for Addison Appliances. Go there, like this video, comment 2 of your friends and follow both of us. That's your main entry done. The secondary entry, well, it's this video on YouTube. Follow Addison Appliances, follow Reclaim Energy on YouTube, like this video, and that's another entry. And the third entry is the online entry form, which you can see now. Simply put in your details, your name, your postcode, your email, optional phone number, and you can also add a photo of your current system, which is classed as 1 bonus entry. And the last bonus entry 4, is click yes, you want to receive marketing emails for giveaways and exclusive offers, both from Addison Appliances and Reclaim Energy, and that is a total of 5 entries to win this brilliant unit. Entries close on the 12th of January at 11:59 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Saving Time, and the winner is drawn on January 16th, 5 o'clock Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. Good luck, and we'll see you soon.